Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So which life lessons can actually help you on your journey ahead? Know the importance of peace and relaxation. Rest. It's time out. Take that break. You're not a robot. You still need to recover before you're going to move on to the next stage of your life. Also know that any structures where you are currently working at, and whether that's full-time, that's not related to what you want to do, might be insecure. Is it time to move on? Are things not working out in your relationship like you wanted them to? Sometimes when we grow, we tend to grow apart. Then we also need to know when it's time for us to say goodbye. Thank you.